Hello guys, hello, my name is Elena, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you just quick how I decorate this painting theme cake, and I'm not gonna bore you with all the long videos and all the fully details. I'm sure if you know how to do cakes, you probably can figure out how I made this cake. But if you are a beginner and if you want to see all the fully lengths how I made it with all the explanation and the details and pretty much live paced uncut work how I was working on this project, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, become a member, and that way you can watch all the little extras on a video and learn with me, and you can ask me different questions about my process and how I do things, and we'll just learn together. So I'm gonna link all the links to subscription in my description box, so that way you can go and check it out. And I also will link all the tools that I used to make this cake, all the assorted different colors. As you can see, I used ganache for the dripping and I colored it in different colors. I used the fondant for the topper and the paint tube and the brush. And yeah, it was fun cake to make. It wasn't too hard, I don't think so. Alright, so what you guys think? I hope you like this cake. I hope you find it looking fun and girly. I'll get it a little closer so you can see. Here it is. Here's all the drippings. Go all the way around the cake. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos like this. Like this video, give it a like, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.